Ki Khubor ka Bate Se TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Chancellor Jongga University of Science and Technology Meghalaya. Hope rengkat lang bat Kinoh hikai bat kisamla pulih kila penrem jur ya ke Jingkynnoh badang sien jong Menteri Rangba ke Jela Assam Himanta Biswa Sharma da ke bat pop ba ke jingslei hasorba Guwahati ke dai na ke jingti khendo jong ke USTM. Ha ke jing keren bat kilat patai khubor ha ka khat artarik unailar arajar arpusau. Uhog bat kinong mikmat jong ke skul ba kila penpau ya ke jingbom sngutenat halor ke Jingkynnoh jong Menteri Rangba ke Assam da ke bapendon kam ya ke kentien flood jihad ya ke bakila Kynnoh ru bakani ke kentien kalong kum bak kedau kti ya ke jinget niam. Uhog daladehi ula kedau ru hakmat kilat patai kubor ya ki nala bat kitop pelang slap jong ke skul ba ke bom dan jingye dei bat ke jingslei hasorba Guwahati kumalasya Kynnoh.
This is not right by any way, and this should not be done, and that's what I think about the entire thing. It's just like blaming your own problems, the problems that lies within your state. It's like blaming your problems onto an education institute that not only maintains a proper educational environment, but a proper environment that is preferable for studying. So that's my entire view on that.
And to harvest water.
It takes a good amount of measures to make sure that everything is green and well kept. And the environment here is very good as compared to my own place. As I stay in Jorhat, I stay in Zoo Road, and there are not a lot of trees you see. But once we enter the campus, you see lots of greenery. So that's what I think about.
That sentence should not be used because it hurts the religion sentiments of the person, because it's like that our chancellor belongs to that community, so that he can't use that. Our chief minister can't use that sentence just because he believe that he is from that community, so he will use this. So it's totally wrong. And if we see, our campus is very green, the greenery is there. So it's what to say. In Assamese we can say that "Paltu ka baat hai." In Hindi we can say that.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ngamnum pedang ya kata kajeng sak Kynnoh mo namar bala da pipet hi ngatrai da Kynnoh namar ka Jingkynnoh ka jong ikalong tang namita ka institute ka jong dei ke kalong ka ika bapak la ka ngasem namar ba kam da dei e punta recently da pipet namar da pia ya ka campus ka jong ikalong ka green campus nei ngamnum ong ba hoi ba kam dei e ni thung pi pindia chum sneng recently do ngira chudep thung ba as pa san ko lai spa tuliki medicinal plant hapo ka campus ka jong mo dingi jupet ya kata hoi ngi deshnai kenu ka jing thau rumo ka jing thau la long ka jing tei ka judon ru kata ka jing ya bantung pat ki dieng pat ke mo ndi ong bangi pen ngi julor lot na dong sedong tinga thai ben Kynnoh yani kalong ka babakla nang ta ki khna ki bawan puli hangi ru kindiri tang ki khna ka na ka state ka jela ka jongi mo na por ka jela jong ka north east ki wan tika long si shangan la ban ong ka jing ku ya ka north east hi borok ka we ka nika institute ka jongi tinga thai nga tingam nung pediang ya tangala pa nang tagpunta mo
kabasdang hi marsenyo i katu ka Jingkynnoh ka penkta bahamo ka jingsno ko jungi namar ba hakabaningkong ka kam amday baka kta namar ba ngapuli hang ni ngasno baka kta engi namar bilong kitray muluk kani ka jaka ni kadan po Meghalaya ka jungi bat ngasno ba ka Kynnoh kunta habaw uong ya kani ka jaka baka dan hang ni kabamut ba kadi ka jaka lu ni smutu ru kay ka Jingtmu nang ta kabamut ba ka ka bayat nang ni kalitu chatay Tenre habangiti ibnya ni sutu jana hiru baka hi barabor habakayat kangam bahat ni sutu hangni kan badai namar ka jing bambiang jung ki drain bat ki wei ki facilities kapelong ya ka bakan ne teban sim ya ka Jingkynnoh ba kita ki allegation ki bawan ra ba kadai nakani ka jaka ka bapen flood ya ka jaka hangtai ngaso kolong ka baklae namar bal da fishim nadu mensuar ladangi ken nadu ki por yu mensuar nadu shwa bakan dan kani ka institute hangni iflat ki juja ni ui ki kot kubor ya kata hitip ha ti kani ka institute ka jungi ka badang dan tang haki chief of nam tam ke ka ba ka impact ka jong ka haba kaladon ba haswa bakan dan ni hap ngatrai kal kadai ka por ni bangi haban ti banya kataru ti tinalor kataru ngasu banong ba kumbakila pensyai na dumena ki nong hikai ki jongi bat ka jinglong jingman jong kani ka jaka bakadon hang ni pi ka jing thmu ka jongi hang ni kalong na kumta ka babha nga kawe ka banga kwa ban ong kalong ba ka jing ong ba kum phila pensyai phila benrap mane ba ula khot yang kini kita ba ong banumuan syu hang ni tole si we anmut kilap bandon ka ju ka jing sngo ba balengin lek sakate ka jaka ba ka balong ka kum ka jing sni wingi ndri ke ku banga kwa ban ong kalong ba ka jing don ka jongi hang ni kam de e bangin dadon ka jing sngo hangame lani ka jing sngo ya peri nyawan hang ni kum sipara nyalong kum sieng sisam nyawan pantai ya kalawe ya ka jingnang jing start bani yo jing tep ni hang ni ya imsuk ni imsan pi hang ni ki dan ki paralok ki jongi ru ki ba nakani ka jela Assam ka jongi ki bayawan ban kersan ni dia tahang tang ilak smuthu ke ba kata ka jingkran kalong mo
Eco restoration, there is a term called eco restoration, that after many bigger projects, construction of buildings, playgrounds, maybe dam, maybe any futuristic railway line system, everything, after the construction there has to be a plantation of trees so that the natural greenery is intact, and we have also done all measures to maintain that. And as madam has said that not only the rainwater harvesting system, even all the chemical effluents that are released from the different departments, that are also being processed by the different chemical treatment plants that are situated inside the campus, so that no untreated things goes out of the campus. So it's a clean and green campus. We have bioenergy this plant also, where the water harvesting system is done, then the biogas it is processed, and even the solar energy. The entire campus have been installed with solar lights, so that all renewable natural resources, energies can be sustained for a longer duration, because we have to think for a sustainable future, and that is how the university is progressing.
So of course I have got many calls from different institutes from Assam also. But I feel that that company policy and everything is so good. In fact, US team is not bothering only about the organization. We are associated with lots of outreach programs and all those extension activities and all, where we are trying to upliftment of all the society. In fact, all the villages and all nearby, we are trying for the overall development of the region. And then what I say, this 22 years of experience, the organization is good, the policies are very good, and we are getting the chance to develop ourselves because organization is giving us the chance. So we are very comfortable. We are seeing that yes, we are progressing, and that is why we are very happy working over here.
So you see that the way he has blamed, maybe for his satisfaction, but I cannot use such kind of word. So I am really hearted. And I hope the entire community belonging to this institution, they will condemn such kind of things. We as a university, we are completely a diverse society. We are very much integrated. We have a lots of brotherhood, and even we share our feelings. And this is something, one of the best example in the country, that a university where 57% girl students and all community children from all the northeastern states. If you go any state, you will find that maximum the students from that particular state. But we as a university in the state of Meghalaya, in the bordering area, but having students from all the northeastern states proportionately. Assam is the biggest state, we know, so maximum number of students from Assam, followed by Meghalaya and other all neighboring states. So this is something I must say, this is our one of the best feature of our university, and I must say this is only our strength. You see, I am not knowing their objective, that why they have done our cutting. So certainly I am sure that there is no proper drainage. So once such kind of heavy rain is there, automatically it will flow down. So this water may go, but still I cannot say, because the land starting from the Barninghat area till Guwahati is in thousand of hectares of land, and we here at USTM and also the additional land here, I don't think that alone this particular area is responsible. If there is a responsibility or there is a such kind of problem is there, it will be a cumulative effect of all the flow of water in the GS road. So there must be a dialogue, if there is any such problem. but a growing institution, and after hard work and lots of people are helping us, growing us, and especially I am very grateful to the local people, the local Keling Road people, Maridua people. They are helping, extending all such kind of, when this institution is growing. When such institution, a very healthy institution is growing up and blaming such a blunt way and without any experiment. Yes, I must agree that there is a one project is coming up, which is a medical college project. You have also seen practically. Then one side construction is now, the construction has come up to the second floor, third floor. The other side we are doing the plantation work. You have seen lots of plantation. We have taken plants from the Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. So these things we are doing, and that's why our 80% coverage of the campus is completely green. And you will not find anywhere a small portion of the land is uncovered. Either it is tree or it is grass, or you will get pakka area where we have done the kind of this thing. So if there is a rain in the campus, whatever the water is coming out from the drain, it is all clean water. 6,000 plus students in this campus studying. Out of that, nearly 1,000 students are coming alone from Guwahati city. So we have our own people staying in Guwahati. Our nearly 80% faculty are staying in Guwahati city only. So this is also our problem. So why being an organization, and we need the blessings and support from all corners. So we are not in a position to create disturbance for anything. It is very surprising and very heartening. Entire community, university here, faculty, students, staff, everyone is very much hurted by such kind of blame. And we as an institution in the coming days, we have a vision to make it a world-class institution. So we have to take all small things in our notice, and we have to correct everything. So if anything is there, already I have spoken to some of the experts, and we are trying to make it another committee so that they can come up and give more practices to make it more such kind of example in front of the other institution, in front of the government, in front of any other stakeholders who can come and see that how we are maintaining our campus. I have not seen anywhere that they have given any statement, but you see, until and unless government is not writing to the government, or they are not officially communicating, I don't think that the intelligent chief minister like Conrad Sangma or any other department will respect. So if any letter has been written, communicated, because you see, this is a matter of governance, this is a matter of administration. Any organization like us, we are a self-financed institution. If we have done any nuisance, that ultimately the Assam government cannot talk to us, or they cannot communicate. It is their duty to communicate with the state government. State government can make us answerable that why you have done this, why you have done this. So we don't know whether they will be writing, but the entire governance of the government of Meghalaya, they are extending their all kind of support from the day beginning. Whether it is any political party in the government, they are always extending help, and because of that support and encouragement and inspiration, time coming. The Conrad Sangma, in the last time he has visited, just he has given information wrong, because I want to see the development progress in the medical college. Just before 30 minutes, you see, and a chief minister is coming, lots of protocols, but they feel that this is our university and how it is growing. So everyone have a faith on the team of USTM, that they are from last 10 years, from only 6 students of biotechnology, today we have more than 6,000 students. And I am confident after this admission it will grow, it will cross more than 7,000 students. And lots of Meghalaya students now, they are qualifying competitive examination, they are qualifying NET examinations, and they are getting all such kind of benefit from the university. So I am not knowing that any such kind of communication is there, and we are ready to give any kind of reply. We have our own land. We have purchased the land, and through Land Transfer Act, this land has been transferred. We have a no objection certificate, we have building permission. So these are the regulatory kind of basic things that we have. Similarly, if you start a kind of pharmacy college, then you have to take the approval from the Pharmacy Council of India. So this way we are growing this stage, and at this stage a university cannot do such kind of things without any permission. Because if you apply for anything, you have to give a set of documents. So this starts from any regulatory kind of work, then it starts from the no objection certificate from the state. So we go to the state, now we are going to start nursing. So we have applied, government of Meghalaya has given the NOC. Now we will apply to the Nursing Council of India. So this way we have all parameters, and you see, when you will apply for any such kind of accreditation, you have to give all set of documents. It is not like that I have university. We have all these things, green practice. It is all physical. You have seen effluent treatment plant, water recycling plant, in the other side, solid waste management plant. So all these things we have installed. And in the coming days, once this everything will be operational, we have to have a bigger size of machineries. So we have to install all these things. We have a solar light system. We want to make it minimum 50% from the solar energy in the future, so that we can make it a more sustainable and it will be making more economical.